Welcome to this Java 8 tutorial on solving real-time queries using an employee management system. Today, we'll explore how to harness the power of Java 8's functional programming features to streamline common tasks. Let's begin by defining the core of our employee management system, the employee class. This class serves as the blueprint for each employee in our system, encapsulating key details about them. First, we define 5 essential attributes: ID, which uniquely identifies each employee; name, representing the employee's full name; department, indicating the department in which they work, such as IT, HR, or finance; salary, which stores the employee's earnings; and finally, age, reflecting the employee's current age. To make it easy to create instances of this class, we include a constructor that initializes these attributes. The constructor is a special method in the class, named employee, that takes in 5 parameters: ID, name, department, salary, and age. Inside the constructor, each of these parameters is assigned to the corresponding class attribute. For example, this.id equals ID ensures that the value passed in as ID when creating a new employee is stored in the ID attribute of that particular employee instance. This constructor simplifies the process of creating new employees. When you want to add a new employee to the system, you simply call the constructor with the required values, and it takes care of setting up all the attributes correctly. To interact with these attributes, we'll include getter methods, which allow us to retrieve the value of each attribute whenever needed. For example, the getName method will return the name of the employee, while getSalary gives us their current salary. These getters are crucial for accessing the employee data while keeping the attributes themselves private and secure. Additionally, we implement a toString method. This method is particularly useful when we want to display an employee's details in a readable format. It constructs a string that summarizes all the attributes of the employee, which is extremely handy for debugging or simply printing out employee information in the console. By setting up this employee class with a constructor, getters, and a toString method, we're establishing a solid foundation for managing and manipulating employee data in our system. This structure will enable us to perform various operations, such as filtering employees by department, finding the highest salary, and much more, with ease using Java 8's features. Now, we'll create a list of employees, representing the data in our employee management system. This list includes employees from various departments like IT, HR, and finance. Let's start with our first query, filtering employees by department. Suppose we want to get a list of all employees in the IT department. With Java 8, we can achieve this efficiently using the Stream API and filter method. The result is a list of IT employees. Next, we'll find the employee with the highest salary. Using the max method with a custom comparator, we can easily determine which employee earns the most. The result is the employee with the highest salary in our list. Our next task is to calculate the average age of employees. By leveraging the averaging int method in collectors, we can quickly compute this average, making it easy to monitor the age distribution of our workforce. Let's say we want to get a list of employee names sorted by their salary. With Java 8, we can chain together the sorted, map, and collect methods to produce a list of names in ascending order of their salaries. Now, let's partition our employees into 2 groups: those younger than 35 and those who are 35 or older. Using the partitioning by method, we can create a map that neatly categorizes employees into these 2 age groups. Finally, we'll group employees by their departments. The grouping by method allows us to organize our employees into lists based on their department, providing a clear view of the department-wise distribution. And there you have it, a set of real-time queries solved using Java 8 features in an employee management system. By embracing Java 8's functional programming capabilities, we've made our code more concise, readable, and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.